The same trusted performance of the Hioki 3280-20F has been revolutionized. With the new AC clamp meter CM3289, you can now clamp cables in even more crowded conditions. With previous designs, narrow spaces forced technicians to twist and turn the clamp and possibly damage the meter. Have you ever had that experience? The new CM3289 delivers a new design with a thinner sensor, letting you clamp wires in crowded locations effortlessly. Even short spaces can now be easily accessed by tilting the clamp to achieve quick and easy testing. Use the optional AC flexible current sensor CT6280 to measure thick or doubled cables. Get into tight spaces and achieve greater measurement capabilities. The CM3289 delivers a durable structure that is tough against drops. But is still small enough to fit in your pocket. The wide operating temperature of -25 to 65 degrees Celsius lets you use the clamp in almost any environment. Measure AC current, AC or DC voltage or resistance, and check for continuity, all with a single device. The AC clamp meter CM3289 is an essential tool for all electricians. Try it for yourself to experience the convenience and usability. For more information, please visit www.hioki.com.